We're in the quilt show standing in front of a quilt made by Holly Meyer, which is Ann's daughter. Would you like to talk about this quilt a little bit?
Yes, Heidi is only 24, and as a poor college student, she decided to just use solid fabrics. This is her actual third quilt that she has made entirely by hand.
Oh,
Even
my.
the binding, everything is by hand. The quilting is, and it's an Arkansas Traveler pattern. When she started it, she said, "Mom, you didn't tell me this was going to be so hard," but it's one of those patterns that, you almost have to do it by hand because of all the points and the way they meet. There's not a distinct block that way. But I'm just very pleased with the way it's turned out. And she did get a Best of Show at the Richland County Fair with this one.
Oh, very good.
And she's giving it away to a girlfriend.
Oh.
So, yeah, amazing. But and she's having a lot of fun. It relieves stress, she says. She just likes to do it by hand.
Very good. Are these current fabrics or some of them?
Yes, they are.
Okay.
They are. Yeah. Just
Very nice.
solids. Mm-hmm.
Very nice look. Thank you. We're in front of another quilt here.